Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. This is the LEGO Friends Heartlake City Pizzeria. We get Olivia and Ethan in this set, and this is brand new for June 2022. Comes with 144 pieces and a teal pizza oven. So lots of colour in this one. Let's take a look and open it up, and I forgot we got to open it here on the side, and it's not very easy. I've got to use my little knife here. They have really glued it well. Look at that. Not good if you want to keep the box, but I'm not keeping the box. 2 packets in this, and we get 2 instruction booklets. And I'll try and get this one out. There we go. And looks like no stickers. Alright, so let's build. Packet 1, and we get a pizza and a pizza in the box. Let's start with Ethan here. We've seen this little jacket before in the Heartlake City Park. The pants are new for 2022, and his hair was a bit tricky to put on, and I love those little pockets on the back. And now he needs a skateboard because he will be doing a drive-through pizza run, and he needs his helmet on, and I removed his head. There, I've taken his hair off. Let's put his stack hat on. Let's go, Ethan, and get a pizza. And there we go. Here is the start of the little sitting area for the pizza shop. So we get a little outdoor dining alfresco area. Just making 2 little chairs here, one on either side, so we can sit and relax and eat some yummy pizza. This is just the little table, and there we go. We only get 1 cup, so we got to share a drink. Almost done. Just need to secure these little vines here on the wall or on the archway. There we are. Ethan's come along and he wants to take a drink. My cat smelt some anchovies. This is the start of the pizza oven, and we get another pepperoni pizza. Not sure if it had anchovies on that one. My cat's not running around anywhere. And building it up. So I wasn't sure about this teal coloured pizza oven, but I do like the added colour that we get. And it's a different build from the usual pizza ovens, and we get a little smoke stack up the top. I like it. And Ethan, yes, you need to put a pizza in the oven. There we are, he's cooking away. Bag number 2, and we get legs in here, and this window piece, and lots of other parts, and another pizza. Olivia's wearing a sand green skirt here. We've seen that top before in the electric car in the cube, and I love her little chef's hat. That's not new, we've had it before, but I do really love it. And off she goes to build the pizza shop. Love that we get masonry bricks for some added texture. I've just noticed by popping in these windows there's no glass, so we've got open windows in this pizza shop. Little bench here to hold the yummy tomato sauce. We get 1 wedge of cheese and a grater there. And this is just where the cash register is and where we pop the pizza on. So a very tiny little shop, but does the job. And just finishing off the walls on this side. Turn it around to pop these nice yellow arches in for added fanciness and colour. And just doing the roof here. I've got a nice big green meat cleaver here for chopping up some salami, popping some vines here at the front, and securing them also with the little green stick things here. And let's finish off this roof. I like that they use the teal instead of the green, even though that's not the Italian flag, but that's all right. We know it's an Italian pizzeria. almost done here, just need to make this pizza sign. So starting with the pizza base and popping on lots of pizza sauce, slapping on lots of cheese, and I don't know what these parts are. That could be a salami, that is an olive. And check this out, I don't have a brick like that. I really like that, I hope I get more of those. There's the sign up there, and we have a pizza shop. Olivia's going to be making the pizzas and popping the oven there to cook them. Ethan's going to help while I arrive with my cat on the skateboard, and he fell off and he doesn't look impressed. He's off. I'll just wait here for my pizza. Olivia's grating lots and lots of cheese on her pepperoni pizza. Ethan decided to help her and put even more sauce on. And here they are, al fresco style dining, enjoying the pizza, and Ethan's having a drink. The Heartlake City Pizzeria set, great little set, great parts in this. I really love it. I love all the colours, would look great if you modified it to put along your main street. I was able to get this for $17 in Kmart, so I would definitely wait and not pay full retail price. So everyone, get your bricks out.